One thing I love doing when I start getting heavy, if I do the bar and start off with the bar, I don't like to do 10 reps because you have to understand when you're doing something, even though it's lighter, you're still expensing energy. So sometimes you're doing those full extra reps with lighter weight. Say you do 2 sets, I need you to understand that can take away from the energy that you need to actually tackle the weight that you want. But we still keeping it light because like I said, we just getting started. Let's get it. I also need you to understand, you need to make sure you're balanced when you're stepping away from the bar. If the body's unbalanced, this take away from reps you can get from that set. Try to keep everything clean. Take shorter steps. They don't got to be small, baby steps, but take short steps. And when you're lifting lighter weight, act as if this weight is extremely heavy. We practice what we do with lighter weight, the things we need to do, and the things we need, and how we need to execute when we're doing heavier weight.